heals the ones who are broken. Do I deserve His love with the way that I'm living? Every day I'm caught up in a sin. I can't look and seem to face His blessings, shining from His presence, sinful in my essence, but He carries me on His shoulders, kicks open locked doors, holds me closer. He's a soldier, He's won my redemption, but hope in my heart, He's my only obsession. And I'm chosen by the blood of the Lamb. Victory over death, in His presence I will stand. Love over everything, that's His command. Broken pieces sealed forever, put together by His hand. So I've been redeemed, yeah. The cross is where I'm nailed on my dreams, yeah. So now I can walk on stormy seas, yeah. Jehovah child of my soul, listen peace, yeah.
Oh, there is peace when your presence surrounds me.
Here we go. Arms up.
There is hope, there is peace when your presence surrounds me.
That didn't happen.
Breakthrough. Let your spirit shine. Lord, lead me on and I'll never fear.
Thank you.
All right, guys, my name is Little Songbird. I am a Catholic singer-songwriter from New York. So what is a little songbird? We are all God's little songbirds, right? We're called to bring the beauty of heaven into earth. Christ has no hands and feet except you guys, right? So can you look to the person next to you and say, you are beautiful? All right, so this next song is called I'll Go. It's my single. It'll be out later. So when the Lord calls, we go. Where you lead me, Lord, I'll go. I'll follow you into the unknown. Where you go, I'll go. Follow you into the unknown. I don't know where we'll go, but I know that for sure. Where the wind blows, that's where you'll be, Lord. Oh, follow you to the depths of the sea. If I drown, I know that you're there to catch me.